Welcome to the Netiquette Next and welcome back to the series of WordPress. In previous videos we have created our own web and customized it and installed a lot of plugins and themes, and we were seeing how we can add posts and a lot of other things. In today's amazing video, firstly we have to log in it, and then we will be seeing how users can manage actually the website, and what we have in all user, how many users could a website have, how are the roles are of the users. Basically we have 4 users. Through plugins we can add more users role, but we can have a lot of users, but the role are the famous for are the administrator, admin. Right now I am the admin, and the editor who can edit all the other posts, and the author who can edit his own post, and the contributor who can edit posts but cannot publish them. So here we go to the user. Right now I'm the only user, and I will be adding a user from this point on. Here we go. Username is required. I'm randomly writing the name, and here we go. We shall use this one, and first name is Bella, and the next name is Weston, and website is Tech Vlog. We go to the Tech Vlog, and we are asking it to generate password, send a new user an email about their account. No, right now it is just to show you, but if I will be clicking on this option, it's mean that this information will be sent to the email we are asking, and then the responder, the subscriber, whoever we want to add, will be responding, and then he can have access to this web. Right now we are not going to send this, so send user notification, no. Right now we are going to say no, and generate password, we already have this password, we are going to use that, and here we are going to choose it as editor and add new user. We shall for now save this password because I don't know the password, and here we go. Now we have role of administrator and the role of the editor. Now add new user. Here we go. Brad, and Brad activate tech gmail.com. First name is Brad and second name is John, and tech vlog, and password is generated already. We shall undone this, and the author we shall choose, because we already have administrator who can manage all and customize all the web, an editor who cannot customize or manage all the tools of the website but can see and edit all of the posts and blogs. Here we go. We shall choose author and add new user, and here again Here we have now 3 users and 3 roles, that is admin tag and Bella and Brad. And here we have their an email information. Here we have their names. Here we have their roles: administrator, editor, and author. And here we have post of administrator to totally 2 posts. Here we can see we didn't see, posted any post yet, uploaded any post yet with this name and with this name. So here it is appearing 00 posts, and we are going to last one at the new. Here we go to write Stefan and Stefan @ Howard gmail.com. And here we have Stefan, and here we have Howard. Here we have Techvlog, and here we have the last, the contributor. And from this point we can add new user. We can also create the password of our liking, however we like that. And now you can see here we have 4 roles or 4 users: admin tag, Bella, Brad, and Stefan. Bella Weston, Brad John, and Stefan Howard. Here we have their emails. Here we have their roles, and here we have the information about the post. So right now I'm going to log out as admin, and Stefan was the contributor, so I'm gonna log in here with that name. So here you can see I can from this username as this user I can see posts and add new one, but that will be pending. I cannot publish them. I can see comments, contacts, profile, tools, and collapse menu. We go to add new. No matter what I write or however I write, I do not have any option of publish here. I cannot publish that. I can just submit for review. And from this point, it was just to show you, I'm gonna log it out here, and we have admin tag Stefan, and now we shall log in as Bella. And here we have Bella was the editor, so it has more bars, like bars. She can see our post, add new post, can add categories and tags, can see library, media, and can add new, can add pages and see all the pages, can see comments and can comment, can see contact forms and add new forms. She has the profile and tools and the collapse menu. Likewise, she can publish all of her own and others posts. So here we go to log out, and here we have the last option of Brad, which was the author. Likewise, we can see these options. He has the power according to these. I'm going to show you. He can just publish of his own posts and cannot edit others' posts. So we shall log out as Brad John and only log in as admin tech. Login, and here we are, and we can see all the users. It was just to show you. We can change the role to other roles of them. You can see bulk actions. Here we have all. In all we have 4 users. We can add new users. We can add subscriber as well. We can add new users that will be appear here, but their roles are gonna remain same. And administrator is one, which is myself, and one is editor, and one is author, and another one is contributor. So here we go. It was just to show you. I will be back soon with another amazing video, and please like and share our video and subscribe our channel.